together. One more time, say with me, God. Ooh, ooh, I feel it, I feel it. Oh, he's got to go, he's got to leave. Say with me, his love is choking me, it's choking me. Bye. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Yeah. Woo. Oh my God. Tell me about our time. Oh my God. Wow, Montenegro. And it's so beautiful that there's so many people from so many different places. Winko, I appreciate you. Give it up to Winko, I give you the mic.
Meni je drago još jednom što si tu. And welcome. And I hope you come again. In February.
Song, time, anytime. No matter what all our governments put before us, we are humanity. And we will rise above all. Right? So they're ready for jelly water? It's another dog. You keep this for me, I'm respect to the band that is coming on tonight. I'm going to have a great time watching them. I'm already in love with this band, as I'm in love with all of you guys. Thank you, Winko. Thank you. Thank all the brothers, the sisters, the brethren, the young ones, the kings, the queens. We love you guys. We love you guys. See you again next year. Make sure you're here at the Montenegro Reggae Song Festival. See?
Last call. And of course I said yes. So I had the opportunity to sing a little bit before Italy with DJ Fu. And now we have the opportunity to do one more song. Well, if it's a little song, we're gonna do two, right? So